Hello and welcome. Thank you for taking the time to check out this video. The goal with this video is to show you how Canva works. And so if you're not familiar with Canva, it is a poster digital art website that you can create really professional, really clean looking posters and designs that you can use for any number of purposes or reasons. For students, make sure that you go to where it says log in, because you already have an account with Google. So if you log in with Google, it may ask you to authorize or just double check like this, right? Choose an account. So you choose your school account and it will log you in to your Canva account. And so from this opening website, there are quite a few different designs. You can go to create a design to start from scratch, or you can come and check out the different templates. All of your designs, right, the ones that you create will be here where it says your designs as you create more and more. But there's a bunch of different ones to choose from. And so if you are making a poster, which my students are going to be making a poster, the best bet is to choose poster as the template. So it'll give you a couple options once it loads. The first option you're going to see is that defaults here to the templates tab up here. And from there, you can scroll down and see all of the very cool 18 by 24 inch templates for posters of all different types or occasions. As you go through, if you find one that really fits what you're trying to get across in your poster, then you can simply just click on it and it adds it there as well. If you decide, oh, I changed my mind, I don't want that one, if you go to Command Z, it takes it away, and you can find a different one that fits your needs. Right? Again, if you wanted to change it, Command Z or Control Z, and then you can find the one that you're looking for. You're going to notice that these are very professional looking templates, but all these are simply just Canva design. So all the images can be adjusted, all the text can be changed, the colors. So this is just something that somebody's already created. If you wanted to add something to it or take something away, it's very simple. To take something away, all you have to do is click on the image, hit delete, and it goes away. Right? Again, Command Z brings it back, Control Z. You can adjust anything you want here on the side. So if you wanted to, say, change the background, right? We want to make the background orange, white, brown. You have that freedom here. If you want to make something even a little more crazy, you can adjust it there as well. And so a lot of these templates are here for your benefit. But again, make sure it's something that reads well as you are creating your poster. Additionally, you can add text. So if you want to change something and kind of create some more of a text that pops, you can change that there. And so on and so forth. So again, go ahead and obviously check out some of these cool templates that they already have for that as well. You can add elements. So these elements will be like clip art, shapes, stickers. You can still kind of go through these. Some of these packages here are kind of cool. Photos. They have, like it says, millions of photos for all different occasions. So you can kind of skim through the top menu up there or see what's trending in photos. Again, if you see something you like, all you gotta do is double click it. It shows up and you can adjust how you want to have that picture there. You can adjust the layering of it too. So if you want this to go to the front, let's say, bring front, right? You want this to, for whatever reason, capture everything, you can. If you want to send it to the back, you have that option as well. And again, Command Z undoes what you've done. Additionally, it's kind of neat, you can upload your own image from your computer. So let's say you are really good at drawing, you want to have a custom hand-drawn image for your poster. You can simply just go to Uploads, go to Upload an Image, and you can grab it from Google Drive. You can link your Instagram, Facebook, or just from your computer. Once you're finished, there's a bunch of different ways you can share it. Obviously, you can share and have somebody else edit your poster as well. But if you wanted to just send the actual poster for somebody to look at, the best bet is to go to these three dots here on the right, and you can click on where it says share link. Go ahead and copy that link, and then if you send that to somebody and they go to the next tab and paste that, your poster is what shows up. And so I hope you enjoy experimenting and exploring Canva. It is very cool and very creative, especially for those who are not so creative like myself. It's a really cool way to interact with a digital design platform. And so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave that in the comments section below, and hope you have a great day. Bye.